everyone. Welcome everyone to a test video. A test video, guys, where I will be playing another let's play of my level. Remember, if the last video was my last video, guys, was only 3 minutes long, and the reason for that is because it was sort of late at night, and here you see I built this, and I actually realized that this was not a semi-solid platform, so I could not step on this. I had to build this. I added Yoshi as well to the scenery too. I just want to make sure. Yeah, it's a test video, guys, but yeah, I added Yoshi to the scenery. I just want to see something with the microphone. I believe that's alright too. Remember, guys, I really want to see if the microphone can lower sort of the background sound. But yeah, guys, it's a test video anyway. But yeah, guys, I just truly hope the video will go smoothly. At least I just truly hope, guys, that the video will be a smooth video. This is maybe tough to do a smooth video. But yeah, guys, here let me show what I created. So if you run, you see, this is the bomb brick. I never realized that before, but if you just press Z, you throw this, you actually explodes it. And I stepped on this, and this we get Yoshi. I realized that you cannot jump off his back. Like, the whole purpose was to jump off his back, and the reason why I decided to do this, look here, look. Okay, just don't press Z. Look, this is not semi-solid, you know, this was supposed to be semi-solid. And yes, I did it. How does this make sense? He steps there and like semi-solid when he gets there. Does it make sense? Yeah, here, guys, here was supposed to be a secret room filled with treasure and stuff. So let's just build this now. I did build a little bit, as you can see, whilst from a previous video. And yeah, let's just make something. Let's just create a multi-coin question block, and let's just build this. You know, maybe let's add another one. What else could we add? A multi-coin one, in case you want some more gifts inside. I don't know, coin chain, wherever. This probably, and just save this. And you can even grab Mario and bring him right here, and just store him right here. And now I want to test something, if multiple things can be put inside the wait. Oh, that's because these are already there. Oh, that we go. And oh, really? Oh no, that should get rid of them. So, okay, let me try again with the parakeet. Oh no, this doesn't work. Okay, let me try again with the normal question block. See, guys, in the game Mario Maker, the Super Mario Maker game for the Wii U, which is similar to this, but except for the Wii U, you can literally add any enemies you want. Not any exactly, but enemies. Let me see if I can add them in this block. Okay, if it doesn't matter if you can't add them in. No, it doesn't matter, it doesn't work for enemies. So yeah, Mario Editor is a really good game, actually. Added even slopes, you know. It's in Mario Maker game. Mario Maker original, there's no slopes, but this one, it's an actual paradise to literally add slopes in the game. Honestly, slopes are a lifesaver, because it literally increases the freedom of movements by a lot of percent, honestly. Just by adding a single slope or curved slopes, honestly, it's unbelievable. Just adding something so small, like a little curve, can add up to a slope. You can see how they connect, for example. It means I cannot have this one, just I need both, for example. I need both. So you can sort of see how these sort of interact together. You can see sort of how maybe add another of this, you can see obviously. And then add another of this. And then add, let's say, tiles. Yeah, I guess this would do well. It's a bit of a cut here, but I didn't know what else to do. Let's just keep that there, guys, for the moment, guys, because it may come. Yeah, guys, I too want to break everything. Let's just click over these. smash up everything. By the way, guys, I can hear the music, but you can't hear the music because the recorder cannot hear the music. But yeah, guys, let me add new blocks for you guys, just so you can know that we are. That's better now, guys. I just do hope these are solid, semi-solid platforms, and yeah. I just want to give this a bit of a test by putting Mario here. Oh, you already started off. Oh, that's because the previous time Mario. He starts off here. Yes, it works. Okay. Well, yeah, guys, and if you want to exit, if you're playing Mario Editor and you want to exit the play mode, here's how you exit the play mode. Just press Enter, go down with the arrow keys twice, and press X, and then it will take you back. Okay, guys, let's add some craziness here. Let's add a bunch of amazing. Let's add a bunch of these snow blocks, guys. What I really love about this game is that you can actually add a lot of things through it. Honestly, a lot. Honestly, if you're like you're 100% free, honestly, you can add a lot, anything you want. You can build anything. At this, remember, in this Mario game, you cannot just add this. No, because look at. Let me just get rid of the Mario that's in here. Right click on him, so and bring the Mario here. So if I bring Mario here, he starts right here. Basically, show you where Mario starts actually. So Mario's here, look. In Mario Maker, guys, for the Wii U version, if you place a 5-flower here, you can pick it up. But this is not the case for this. Look, it will not appear. You see? The 5-flower in Mario Editor does not appear. Okay, enter the right X. You need to actually place it inside of a block. This could be a multi-coin block, for example. Let's place him here. It needs to be in here, guys. Save it. And now you've got it. Oh. So the 5-flower does not appear in the multi-coin block. Guys! Oh, I think the 5-flower anyway. Okay. Yeah, but you can sort of see what I'm talking about there. Let's add absolutely everything. Let's go crazy, actually. Let's add everything we can. Absolutely everything. Let's go mayhem. Because, yeah. Let's go absolute mayhem, guys. By the way, guys, yeah, it's mayhem. Let's add a whole bunch of foes. Red foes. What's really interesting to know, guys, is that this actually gets saved into a complex script of Notepad, actually. It actually does. If you know what I'm talking about, then you definitely may do. But yeah. But let's add some tiles as well. Let's add a mess here. You know what? Messy. What? I never knew this was even possible. Guys, that's amazing. Brown note blocks? Okay, if I press with green, do they become green? No, they just become brown. They become a bit more yellow, actually. Okay. Let's try something else. Let's try these ones, guys. If this is the case, that would be amazing. It works, guys. This is so cool. Do they play different music? And you can't do it, overdo it, actually. You can't do it on these ones. Only ones that are already white. You can overpower them with blue. That's cool. You can even overpower them with blue, guys. That's so cool. Let's go for everything here. Everything, absolutely everything. 100% covered. I can actually put behind the background, which is probably not what you cannot do in Mario Maker. I'm not sure if this is the case. Compare this to Super Mario Maker 2, guys. I guess this is amazing, actually. It's honestly like an amazing game, and it's all for free. Okay, all the other settings: keep power-ups when damaged, off. Daredevil mode, mode. What is this? Like rainstorm? Oh, this would be so cool if you had this on. This is so cool, guys. Yeah, guys, this is amazing. Okay, let's add some more stuff. Let's go crazy 24/7. Let's go crazy, actually, guys. Let's cover up everything. It's my job to cover up everything. That's my job. That's my job. I must cover up every single thing I see. And I want to show what something cool, guys. Okay, perhaps I can show you now. Okay, so that's this. That's amazing, guys. That's amazing. It's truly amazing, guys, isn't it? Amazing. I'm gonna cover the entire background like this. There'll be no use for background anyway if you're just gonna cover it up. Now, actually, one of my favorite backgrounds actually is, let me show which is actually one of my favorite ones. Let me show you guys which is one of my favorite backgrounds. If you go to where it says background, the castle? No, it's not castle. It's, is it okay now? Yeah, this is one of them. I'm not sure if it's exactly this one. This is one of my favorite ones. I guess it's Summer Days. I guess it's Castle, House, Forest. Oh, no. It kind of reminds me of this film. It's like, it's a very, very old film. Yeah, like it reminds me of like very old one actually, of animation for children actually. Reminds me of this very old animation for children. Castle Garden. Desert Bricks. Yes, I think it's this one. I think it, yeah, guys, it's probably this is the one. Actually, I don't know why it's so cool about this brick one, but yeah, it's really cool actually to have it nonetheless. And actually, oh yeah, the blocks so the background does not change. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's this. You can even add warp if you want to warp up. No wait, up, and more up, I guess. And that's that. So I don't even know what to start. I want to make sure that I get rid of the Mario that is right there. Oh yeah, there you go. So you touch the head. So maybe if you know you have to touch the head, also get rid of this flagpole because it's not a good place. Now we can just, you know what, guys, we're not enough. That is not enough. Really? Since when was that? I did that. Hold on a second. Well, that's because I'm further down. They're already down. That's amazing, guys. Look at all these blocks. This is beautiful. Compared to Super Mario Maker 2, it's, honestly, this is going to be like a amazing game compared to Mario Maker 2. Like, compared to Super Mario Maker, this has a lot more details. However, there's certain things that you cannot do that Mario Maker can do for the Wii U version. Like the Wii U version of Mario Maker, you can. There's not so many things, you know. There's no slopes. There's no slopes. You cannot move the end goal. You cannot do that. You can shift the level size, shorten the level, lengthen it to sort of get the end goal moving, but you cannot play later with wherever you want. Literally, this is, you can do it here, but what you cannot do here is like, you cannot jump off Yoshi's back, for example. Like if let me demonstrate for you guys what you can do. For example, let me just give you Mario here. So let's place Mario again, and let's put him here, and let's save that, and that's that. So in Mario Maker, you can, it does work. You can, yeah, so it works, yeah. But in Mario Maker, you can jump off his back. I just want to make sure that there is a way. Yeah. Wait. You can sort of. You can sort of, guys. See, that's why I was checking. That's why I checked. Remember, guys, if there's some... Remember, guys, if there's... That's why I've checked, and I knew... I thought... I had a feeling that was actually possible. One second. Oh, my days. It's actually really difficult to do, guys. I don't even know if I can explain it. You have to... Honestly, I don't know how to explain how I'm doing this, but... Jump, then... Jump, let go, the end, let go. Oh my days, you have to... Oh my days, guys. You have to jump, then mash the 1 button and the Z button. Mash the 1 button and the Z button.